In this video, I'm going to show you an alternative way of saving your files for the web and mobile devices. I also decided to use an example celebrating the 30th anniversary of Illustrator. So today, recording this video is actually exactly 30 years after Illustrator was first released. And let me show you an interesting feature. On the File menu, you can find Export Selection. This will take you already to the Export for Screens dialog box, where you can save quickly the selection you have into multiple file formats at the same time, and even into multiple sizes. So you can choose these file formats here. What you can also do is to change the scale in which you want to save the current selection, whether in its current size or twice as big, or you can also save it half or 3/4, and you can even specify the width and height or resolution that you wish to use. If you want multiple sizes saved, you can also choose Add Scale, and immediately Illustrator will add the double size or something that could be used for Retina or high resolution displays. And you can also define the suffix which will be added at the end of the file name. If you want to quickly add all the sizes necessary for iOS devices, you can just click on this, or Android sizes will be also added on top of the existing ones. In case you want to make any changes to the preset file formats, you can click on this settings icon, and here you can make those changes. So for example, for JPEG 100, we can find the options that can be changed. Or for example, for SVG, these are the options that you can customize. Now let me go back and cancel out of this, because what I would like to show you is another great feature called Assets, and it has actually a separate panel called Asset Export, which you can find under the Window menu. So this is it. And the aim of this panel is to be able to save out certain elements from your design as individual files. So exactly what we did when we had a selection and we went to File, Save Selection, that actually automatically created an asset. If I select maybe this question mark and drag and drop it here, that will be another asset. Or the pen tool icon will be another one. And then so on and so forth. Let's just drop the mouse in as well. And maybe this Bezier curve. So now that we have all these assets, we don't even need to go into File, Export, Export for Screens. We can export these files directly from this panel, selecting the ones that we would like to save, choosing the scale, format, or even add multiple scale sizes, and then simply clicking on Export and choosing the folder in which we want to save them. So if I say Save, it exported all of these files quickly. And this is how they look once they are exported. So for user interface design or anything to do with the web or mobile devices, the Export for Screens and the Asset Export panel are highly recommended because they can save you a lot of time. And now that we started talking about mobile devices, in the next video I would like to show you a few of the free Adobe apps that can help you with your illustration work even while you are on the go.